Question number 37. Hydrogen and deuterium are represented by the nuclide symbol 1H1 and 1H2. Okay, what is the difference between hydrogen and deuterium? Now, what is hydrogen? Hydrogen has only one proton. What is deuterium? Deuterium has one proton and one neutron. Okay, deuterium atom has twice the number of electrons as a hydrogen atom. Definitely not correct. The reason is because how many protons do we have? So many number of electrons you should have. So definitely this is incorrect. The deuterium nucleus has a charge, but the hydrogen nucleus has no charge. No, see, both of them have charge because you have proton here, you have proton, neutron. One neutron is excess. So this is also incorrect. Deuterium nucleus has less mass. Is it so? No, it has one neutron more. This has more mass. This is also incorrect. Obviously, D should be the answer. Let us check it out. Deuterium nucleus has half the charge per unit mass. It should be E by 2m for deuterium. 1H2 for 1H2, this should be so much as and per unit mass of the hydrogen nuclei. For hydrogen, what do you have? Hydrogen nucleus should be E by m over here. Is it right? See, E by m. It has one proton, mass is 1, and here it has one proton and two nucleons, which means what? One proton, one neutron. So it has 2m over here. So therefore, D is the right answer.